Hi everyone, I'm Guruneshit Nemani, a product manager here at Sunstone. And in this course, we'll be discussing what a problem statement is. Imagine you're working in the product team of an app development company and you guys have recently launched a new mobile app. But after a few months, you have noticed that the app's user retention rate is lower than expected. As in, the users are not coming back to the app as expected. And now you want to create a project to tackle this problem and improve the user retention. What would you do? This is where the problem statement comes in. A problem statement is a brief and straightforward explanation of the issue that your project is trying to solve. It provides a description of what the problem currently is, what you want the situation to be in the future, and any difficulties that need to be addressed along the way. By creating a clear problem statement, everyone on the project can understand what they're working on and why it is important. Now, back to our app example. To tackle the problem of user level retention, your first step would be to create a clear problem statement which defines the issue that you're trying to solve. A possible problem statement for this scenario could be: the mobile app has a lower than expected user retention rate, resulting in decreased engagement and revenue. And the product team aims to improve the user retention by identifying the reasons why the users are leaving the app and implementing targeted solutions. This problem statement identifies the current state, which is low user retention, the desired further state, which is improved user retention, and the gaps between the two, which are decreased engagement and revenue. It also makes it clear that the project aims to address the problem by identifying the reasons why users are leaving the app and implementing relevant solutions. This problem statement can then be used to guide the team's work and ensure that everyone involved understands the problem that they're trying to solve and also why it is important. Watch the next video to find out why the problem statement is so important.